Hello guys, here, Millionaire Mom. 3 top tools an affiliate marketer needs to get sales on automatic pilot. First of all, you will need a funnel. Canvas inside Builderall has got all the funnels you need. So you can have a membership funnel, a video funnel, a product launch funnel, ones with upsells and downsells. The most popular one, the basic one, is a lead magnet funnel, where that page is where you collect your email. Then you confirm the email, and then there's the thank you page. Now, how do I build that? I hear you ask. Good question. Here's one I made earlier. I've always wanted to say that. Did you used to watch repeated? Right. This is inside the Cheetah Builder. As you can see, you can have a video behind it and get everyone's attention. Now, these are already inside Cheetah. The big rectangle there is called a panel, and everything inside is called an element. So in order to start it, you add your very first panel. Okay, there's lots of ones you can choose, but I chose the animated video, which is that one. Okay, and then all you have to remember is to switch it on, otherwise it's just a picture. So once you've got your panel, you can add an element like a text. So if you want a text, you can drag and drop your text with whatever size that you want. So if I wanted this one, I can drag and drop it over there, and you double click on it, and then if you want to edit it, you edit there, and you can bold it. You can, if you highlight it, you can bold it, you can italic it and change the colour, make it white, and there you go. It's so easy. If you want a video on here, you click the video. Oh no, that's not what I want. 1 second. You have to go add element. Oh, you have to return. There you go. Getting confused here. Right, you can add a video, you can add an image. Let's do an image. Whoops. Drag image. Drag one over. Double click. Edit. This. Edit this one. Edit the image. Change image. And then you can just choose one from your computer. I did a website for a personal trainer who wanted to concentrate on nutrition. So you can see if you want that one, and if you do, you press save. And there you go. If you change your mind, you can delete it. If you want to add a video, add element, return, find a video. You can add blog posts, buttons, contact forms, iframes, magic forms, which is for advanced people only. If you want to add a video, look, is it YouTube or Vimeo? Or one of the others? Mainly if it's YouTube, again, drag and drop, double click, edit element, and guess what, guys? You get the YouTube video and put it in there, and Bob's your uncle, it comes up as the video. So that's really easy, isn't it? Takes 5 minutes. So you've done your capture page. You know what the funnel is. So then you can do another page, which is, and link them together. So once you've done all this, if I just delete that, if you've got a capture page thing here, you just set this to the list that you want in Mailing Boss, and you can set the link to the next page that you want them to go to. Look, that's quite easy. So you've done, you know what pages you've got to do. You've just built it, you've pressed save, you've pressed publish, then you go to Mailing Boss. First of all, you have to make a list. So if it's like, I don't know, become a client magnet, you have a list called Become a Client Magnet, and then you can start on your campaigns and your sequences. If you want to know how to do anything on any of these topics, there's about 20 minutes, half an hour's training for complete beginners to become masters. Right. Magazines. Here's your bonus, guys. If you made one of these magazines like this, here's the lovely Eric. Eric Salgado, the founder member. He invented Builderall, and he's constantly uploading it with new tools. This one is a magazine that, look, the pages just turn over. So imagine if you made one of these and gave it as a client and made them a free gift that they can give out. You could charge whatever you like for this. I love these. So I've done that one. The next thing I want to show you is the auto post tool. I've opened it because my computer's too slow and I've already put it in. So you put the raw name in, choose your page, put your time, and I've just put one, hello to all you online entrepreneurs out there, chosen my file, and then you just press save, add raw, boom. You can do that for the whole month. You don't have to keep doing it every day. You can autopilot, guys. It's called autopilot. So you're saving your time. I've chatbot on your Facebook fan page. You make a post on your Facebook fan page. This is really cool. You can send them to any link you want. So here's one I made earlier. Select this post for auto answer. So it's got to be a condition. If the user's comment consists of the word info with a capital, info all capitals, any or info please, more info, just make them up, yes please, add the things that they don't normally obey. So you just do all that. And then you can answer the text here with a message. Hi, first name. Copy this. Paste it. Thanks for commenting on my post. Here is the info you need, and then put a URL. See where I'm going. If you wanted them to see your offer, whatever you're doing, you just press save. Come on, guys, it can't get any easier than this. So that's just the tip of the iceberg, guys. Top 3 are the funnel builder, which is this one, building your capture page or website, or fully blown website, and emails. But hey, look at this. How many other things can you do here? E-commerce, which is selling products, drop shipping. Chatbot we've just gone over. What about this mock-up studio? Now, if you're visually inclined and you like making things for other people, you can actually make pictures with their logo on and put your services on Fiverr. All you've got to do is get the logo and put it on one of these. Fiverr, if you don't know, is you can get a Fiverr for one of these. Then once you get good, you can charge $10 or $50 for more advanced stuff. So Builderall is pretty amazing. Not only does it do that, it does webinars. If you want to build a course, you can do it on the e-learning, the new e-learning system, which I've just made a course on there. The WordPress video, you can video funnels, you can have chatbots on your website. And you know those little lovely, Bob in England bought this 10 minutes ago. Stephen in America bought this 5 minutes ago. That's just a little app to entice people to buy because they're following the flock. There's so much in here. That's just, if you want a script generator for emails, if you want to add a domain name, there is a DNS manager here, which is a bit complicated, but it's not, because it's Builderall and it makes it easy. There is so much in here, guys. That is just the tip of the iceberg. Look how many apps are in here that I haven't even mentioned. Transparent floating videos. I actually don't use this, but it's really fun. I saw the training and he got an iPhone and he taped himself walking down the corridor. He didn't even have to upload the video to his computer. You can upload it straight to Builderall and stick it straight on a website, get rid of the background, and boom. You're inside the computer going, hi, and it's as though you're actually living inside the computer. You can do Instagram autoresponder, Telegram, SMS messages. There's how many things, and they keep adding them on. Adding them on. So this is an onward and upward type of company. The last thing I want to show you while I'm here is the Funnel Club. There are lots. This is the Cheetah Builder. Funnel Club can now be transferred to Cheetah, and you can make people custom built websites, but it's not custom built. All you're doing is dragging and dropping, copying and pasting, guys. So let's go on to the American version. And then I will show you all about funnels. So if you wanted because I've done a personal trainer, a free one in exchange for some referrals that never came. But if you can see, oh, I've got to scroll down and find a good one. You've got to find the ones that says download. Right. So if you wanted to download this funnel, you can download it to Cheetah. There's loads of things you can offer a website for. Delivery services, there's a music teacher, there's personal trainers, there's yoga teachers. If you've got the word download this funnel, you can actually do as many as you like. There's doctors, dentists, home repairs. If you wanted to have a look at this one, you could go to Bob the Builder and ask him, do you need more clients? Would you like a website? Would you like a machine? Look, would you like a machine to bring you new clients? So any health spas, hairdressers, beauticians, anyone you like, they've got, and they're adding 2 new funnels a week. But you can use this as a basic for anybody. So you collect information, get some emails, increase your marketing potential, and then you just build a funnel, show them Builderall, and boom, sign them up. There you go. So, guys, this is so exciting. It's so exciting. There are so many things inside here, and they are being updated and added to regularly. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. I know there's going to be a calendar thing, so if you want to book an appointment with somebody, it's the automatic one that does all the time differences, because England's 5 hours in front of America. So if it's 10 o'clock here, it's 7 o'clock there. Yeah. Anyway, click the link below and just get this, because if you're a serious affiliate marketer, how many tools are in there for one price? See you on the inside, guys, and you can thank me later. Bye.